How are you, grade 10? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to complete our solving the revision sheet for the third quarter. Today, part 5. Thank you very much for Maran and Ahmed for responding for the homework. I hope all of you grade 10 to solve the homework. Please take care of this because you have exam in 26th of April. Okay? Try to study all the videos that is posted on the YouTube channel. Today we're going to complete our revision sheet. Here, let's start together. Open with me your sheet. We're in number 38. Here, find the geometric mean. Do you remember what is the geometric mean? From the last video, we said what? What is the geometric mean? Times the two numbers together and get the square root. Times the two numbers together and get the square root. 2 times 5 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. Okay? Then get the square root. Times the two numbers together, then get the square root. Very good. So the answer is A. Here I have this triangle which has two right angles. Remember? Find x, y, and z. Let's remember how we get it. First, do you remember this? We have 3 rules in this. 3 rules in this one. We said that this side, which is converse of what? You remember? Converse of Pythagorean theorem, and converse of what? Euclidean. Remember? So 5 square equals what? 5 square equals this part times that part. Again, 5 square or this side square equals this part times the other part. So 5 square equals 10x. So x equal 5 to the power of 2 divide 10. So it will be 2.5. Okay? Again, if I want to get the x, I'm going to use the rule of Euclidean. This side equal what? This side square equal this part times that one. 10 times x. So x equal 5 power 2 divide 10. Okay? Okay. What about the y? If I want the y here. So my x is 2.5. Write it on your figure, not to forget it. 2.5. Very good. What's the y? In the same rule, we said what? That the y square equals what? Equals the part which is beside it times all the side. Again, the part of the side which is beside it. So the x, the y power 2 equal this part times all the side. Again, y power 2 equal x times all the side is what? Is x plus 10 or 2.5 plus 10 because I have already the value of x. Okay? So y power 2 equal 12.5 times 2.5 and get the square root to get the y. So y equal 5 square root 5 over 2. Okay? Again, if I want the side, this side, how to get it? this side square equals the side which, the part of the side which next to it times all side. Okay, again. What about the z? We're going just to raise it to see the z. Okay, here. What about the z? I want the z power 2. The part of the side which is next to it. Here, this 10. Times all the side. Again, z power 2 equal 10 times all the side, which is 12.5. Okay, then get the square root of it. So my answer will be B. Okay, nice. Let's see number 40. Here we are going to use trigonometric ratios. Cosine y. Do you remember what the cosine is? Cosine is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cosine equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Where is the y? This is the y. What is adjacent? Its adjacent is 9. So here, he wants what? The ratio of cosine y. Cosine is what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. What's adjacent? Remember? What's adjacent here? It's the 9. 9 over. What's hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 15. Hypotenuse is 15. So where here 9 over 15? It's B. So the answer here is not right. Okay, so it's B. Okay. Again, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, which is the side beside it, over hypotenuse. Okay, so this answer is not right. This answer is right. Okay, very good. Use the special right triangle to write tan 60 degree as a fraction. We're going to draw a 30, 60, 90 triangle, okay? And remember the rule which tells me that the hypotenuse is 2s and the side which is opposite to the 30 degree is s and the side which is opposite to 60 degree is s square root 3. So the tangent of an angle, the tangent of an angle, is what? The tangent is opposite over adjacent, or opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 60 is opposite, which is s square root 3, over adjacent, which is s, again, opposite, 5 square root 3 over adjacent, which is s, and the s will fly with the s, dividing with s, so it will be square root 3. So square root 3 over 1, which is A. Excellent, grade 10. Sorry. Here, we're going to use our calculator to find the trigonometric ratio. Of course, you're going to use the calculator as directly, sine 79 and write equal. You will have negative 0.98. Cosine 47 degree, you will find in 0.68. Tan 77 by your calculator, you will find it 4.3. Okay, and of course make sure that your calculator in degree mode. Okay, very good. Here find GH, round to the nearest hundredth. Here I have this angle, okay, and this is right angle triangle, so I can use the trigonometric ratios. Look here, this side is the hypotenuse. The side he wants is the hypotenuse. And what is the side that I have? What is the relation between this side and the angle? It's what? It's adjacent. It's adjacent. So I'm going to use the cosine of the angle. I'm going to use the cosine of the angle. So cosine h equal adjacent over hypotenuse. And adjacent is 18.4. And the hypotenuse is GH. How can I get GH? By cross product. Okay, so GH will be 18.4 divide cosine 35. You're going to use it with your calculator. You will find it equals approximately 22.46. 22.46, which is C. Okay, excellent, grade 10. Let's see number 44. Use trigonometric ratio that he's telling you, like the puzzle that we said before. Sine A equals 0.38. Determine which angle of the triangle is angle A. Okay, sine A, which is 0.38, you're going to make it with your calculator 0.38 and press on S to D to make it fraction. Okay, and C. We're going to get angle A and angle 1 and angle 2 and their sine. Sine of angle A, what's sine of angle A? Opposite, which is 12 over hypotenuse, which is 13. 12 over 13 equals 0.92. So it's not equal 0.38. So of course the angle will be angle what? Angle 2. But let's check it. Angle 2, what is sine? Opposite, which is 0.5 over hypotenuse, which is 13. Okay, so 0.5 over, sorry, it's not 13, it's 1.3, sorry. 0.5 over 1.3, so it will be what? 0.38. 0.38. So my angle A is angle 2. My angle A is angle 2. Okay? Okay, so my answer is A. Very good. We're going to use this also with your calculator. How to get sine -1? You're going to make shift sine. Okay? To get the -1, you're going to press shift sine. Okay? And you get it with your calculator. You will find the answer is A. Thank you, grade 9. We're going to complete our revision sheet. Thank you, grade 9. Till we meet again at the last part of the video. See you later. Keep safe and keep staying at home. Grade 9 مرة? Okay.